Hi friends, welcome to my channel Village Skills. In this video I am going to show you how to make Rakhi easily at home. Friends, this is my 26th Rakhi design. If you would like to see my previous 25 designs, please check out the links in the description box below. I hope you will find this video useful. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment my channel Village Skills for more such videos. If you already subscribed, then hit the bell icon to notify my latest updates. Friends, now colorful and beautiful Rakhi is ready. I hope you found this video useful. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment my channel Village Skills for more such videos. If you already subscribed, then hit the bell icon to notify my latest updates and give your valuable comments in the comment section below. If you would like to see my previous 25 designs, please check out the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you soon with my another new project. Until then, keep watching. Take care. Bye bye.